Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to change the engine type for the Magknight 787-9er in this case. And as you can see here, we are in the Norwegian livery. Norwegian Airlines use the Trent engines, which is RR in the EFB. We are currently in GE, so we've got a slight debacle here. And so we'll be changing it. And so let's head into the cockpit. I've just quickly powered it up. You can check my cold and dark tutorial on the top right here now. And so the EFB will start looking like this when you power it up. You go to power and you just go to settings, and it's simple as that. You just click RR, and now we've got the right engines. And you can do that. I would highly recommend Googling what engine does the airline use before you starting your flight in the 787, because there are two main engine types, and it's mainly Norwegian, British Airways, Virgin Atlantic that use RR, and the rest use GE on the Trent engines. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to give us a like if it was useful, and see you in the next video.